In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to HubSpot. We'll be setting up a HubSpot app token and then using that token inside n8n so your workflow can communicate with your HubSpot CRM. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to move carefully, especially when you get to permissions and the access token. Start by opening your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main HubSpot dashboard, head to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will take you into the account settings area where HubSpot keeps admin and integration options. From there, go to integrations and then select private apps. Inside that area, click on Go to Legacy Apps. On the next screen, choose Create Legacy App. This is where you'll generate the app connection that n8n will use. Under the Basic Info tab, enter a name for the app such as n8n and add a short description so it's easy to recognize later. Giving the app a clear label is helpful if you manage multiple integrations in the same HubSpot account. Next, open the Scopes tab. This part is important because scopes determine what n8n is allowed to do in HubSpot. Search for the permissions n8n needs and check them off accordingly. Make sure you only enable the access required for the tasks your workflow will perform. That helps keep the connection organized and secure. Once the permissions are selected, click Create App in the bottom right corner. After the app is created, HubSpot will provide the security token needed for n8n. Treat this token carefully since it allows access to your HubSpot data. Now switch over to n8n and open the workflow where you want to use HubSpot. Add a HubSpot node to the workflow. In the node's authentication settings, choose app token as the authentication method, then paste the access token from HubSpot into the appropriate field. After that, click Save. At this point, your n8n workflow is connected to your HubSpot CRM and ready to use. As a final tip, if the connection doesn't work right away, the first thing to check is whether the correct scopes were enabled in HubSpot and whether the token was pasted exactly as provided. Even a small mistake there can prevent authentication from working. Once everything is saved correctly, you'll be ready to start building automations between n8n and HubSpot.